Chapter 2 GUI Operating System Desktop Management. After this lesson, you will be able to know about Windows Desktop. Set a background on Windows 7. Set a different theme with attractive animations. Change a screensaver on the desktop. Understand the complete use of folders and files. Manage a folder by creating, redefining, and naming it. Operate Windows Explorer to manage files and folders stored in your computer. Chapter 2 GUI Operating System Desktop Management. After this lesson, you will be able to know about Windows Desktop. Set a background on Windows 7. Set a different theme with attractive animations. Change a screensaver on the desktop. Understand the complete use of folders and files. Manage a folder by creating, redefining, and naming it. Operate Windows Explorer to manage files and folders stored in your computer. Introduction. In your previous class, you have learned about Windows 7 as a GUI, Graphical User Interface based operating system. It has a visual environment using windows, buttons, and icons. Let us learn more about this interface. Desktop. When you switch on your computer, the first screen that appears is called the desktop. The desktop contains small pictures called icons. Each icon represents a software, file, or a folder. Other icons present on Windows 7 desktop are computer, shows content of hard disk, recycle bin, contains deleted files or folder. Desktop appearance. You can change the way your computer screen appears in front of you. To do so, follow these instructions step by step. Right-click anywhere on the screen area of your desktop. A menu will appear. Select the Personalized option from the menu. Personalization control panel window will appear on the screen. Click on the desktop background link at the bottom. Choose the background of your choice and click on it. You can see the new background on the desktop. Click the Save Changes button. Close the personalization window. You can change the background whenever you want. Display themes. A theme includes a desktop background, a screensaver, a window border color, sounds, and sometimes icons and mouse pointers. You can choose from several themes. You can use the whole theme or create your own theme by changing the pictures, colors, and sounds individually. Follow these steps to change the theme of your desktop. Right-click on your Windows 7 desktop. Click Personalize on the menu. Click on any theme that is installed, like Arrow or My Themes, which are your unsaved themes and downloaded themes. After choosing the theme, click the Apply button. Automatically, the theme will appear on the desktop. Applying a screensaver. A screensaver saves your screen from getting damaged. Whenever you leave your computer idle for some time, there is a risk to the screen of getting burnt. In order to save your screen from getting damaged, a moving picture or pattern appears on a computer screen, which is termed as screensaver. To apply a screensaver to your computer's desktop, follow these steps. Open Personalization window on the desktop. Under Screensaver in the drop-down list, click the screensaver you want to use. Click Preview to see what your chosen screensaver will look like. Click OK. Files and folders. Look at the two pictures. Which one is more organized? You are absolutely right. The second one is definitely more organized. Books have been properly arranged here in the shelves, and you can easily take out a book of your choice for reading in your free time. Similarly, Windows allow you to organize folders and files in a file hierarchy. Each folder may contain several files on related topics. It may contain more folders too. Look at the following figure to understand this. Create a folder. Folders are a convenient way to store and organize files on your computer. For example, in order to save your favorite songs together, you can create a separate folder and you don't have to look for them every time you open your computer. You can simply click on the folder and tap your feet to your favorite numbers. You can create any number of folders and even store folders inside other folders. Folders located inside other folders are often called subfolders. Follow these simple steps to create a folder. Go to the location, either a folder or the desktop, where you want to create a new folder. Right-click on a blank area in the desktop or in the folder window. Point to New and click Folder. Type a name for the new folder and then press Enter. Renaming a folder. Everything you create a folder in the computer, it displays new folder. You can rename the folder in order to avoid any confusion between two different folders. That is, rename your songs folder to My Favorite Songs or any other name of your choice. It will help you in locating the folder and will avoid any sort of confusion. You can do that using these simple steps. Right-click on the folder. From the drop-down menu, click Rename option. Click at the end of the name and add a name and press Enter. The folder has now been renamed to My Favorite Songs. Deleting a folder. Deleting a folder is quite a simple task. All you have to do is to right-click on the folder to be deleted and click the option Delete from the drop-down menu. The folder moves to the recycle bin. Copying and moving a folder. When you copy a file or folder, you are making a duplicate of the original item that you can then modify, delete or store independently of the original. Open the location of the file or folder you want to copy. Right-click on that folder and then click Copy. Open the location where you want to store the copy. Right-click within the location and then click Paste. The top of the original file or folder appears in the new location. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is also known as the File Explorer. It is a file manager application and provides access to the file system. You can click on the Windows Explorer icon located on the taskbar to open Windows Explorer. A window as shown below appears on the screen. Ethics of using computers. When you share computer with other students or people in school or at your workplace, you must follow some ethics. You shall not use a computer to harm other people. You shall not interfere with other people's computer work. You shall not snoop around in other people's computer files. Do not cheat from others' files. Respect everybody's work. Be responsible when using equipment, software and facilities in the lab. Do not change the setting in the computer. Summary. The first screen that appears when you start your computer is the desktop. You can choose different background images and themes for your desktop and change the appearance of your computer. Using a screensaver protects your computer screen from burning while the computer is left idle for some time. You can organize and store your files in folders. You can also rename the folders to keep them more organized. You can create, rename, delete, move and copy folders and files very easily in Windows 7 operating system. Windows Explorer is a Windows tool that helps users to manage files and folders stored in the computer.